So first of all, we have, so there's like 4 muscle groups. We're going to be doing the deltoids, so it's always CAS. So on the deltoids, first one is the clavobrachialis right here. Then acromial deltoid is right here. Then S, spinodeltoid is right here. Those are your deltoids. Clavobrachialis, acromial deltoid, spinodeltoid. And then the muscle between your trapezius and your deltoid is your levator scapulae something, ventralis. And then we have your clavicle right here. Your trapezius. Your C, clavotrapezius, A, acromial trapezius, and S, spinal trapezius. And the last muscle on your back is your latissimus dorsi, running along here. So review again, your deltoids is 3, CAS, clavobrachialis, your acromial deltoid, spinal deltoid. This one is your levator scapulae ventralis. Then your trapezius, clavotrapezius, acromial trapezius, and spinal trapezius, and latissimus dorsi. So since we're on the back, let's go over here on the lower leg. So basically, you'll have your 2 gluteus muscles over here, your medius and your maximus right here. Then you have your tensor fasciae latae on your, this is the fascia latae, and then more proximal is the actual muscle, which is your tensor fasciae latae. And then you have your caudo femoralis, which is this whole thing. And then below that is your biceps femoris. Also, you can see over here is your gastrocnemius, and underneath your gastrocnemius is your soleus muscle. So in review, on your lower extremity, you have the gluteus medius, gluteus maximus, tensor fasciae latae, you have your caudo femoralis, biceps femoris, gastrocnemius, and your soleus.
Where's
right here.
biceps femoris?
This one. It's really big. It's in between this and this. Okay.